Business Central 2024 Release Wave 2. The rollout of this year's second Dynamics 365 upgrade wave starts in October. Here, a new version of Business Central is also released. With 2024 Release Wave 2, a number of new features and improvements are introduced, including Dynamics 365 Copilot. With the enhancement of Copilot, you can create sales orders directly from chat, efficiently create product details, and bank account reconciliation becomes even faster. Reporting and data analysis. With Business Central 25, more than 70 Power BI reports are added, making it easier than ever to leverage your company data to gain insight into your business operations. Reporting for sustainability. To help companies track their greenhouse gas emissions, Microsoft is adding additional reporting capabilities for sustainability. Platform and service. By increasing availability and optimizing performance, stability, resource management, security and compliance, Microsoft has improved the fundamental service and platform. For more information, please visit activebs.com. Follow us on social media, where we regularly post updates and news related to Business Central.